Alright, YouTube, so we back. So I'm out here trying to slide my shit, y'all. Like, this is the first time I've ever did this. So y'all, don't judge me, okay? I'm trying though, okay? But stay tuned, alright?
She almost got it though.
Let's go, Shay. She look like me right now. Yes! Damn, all this smoke, bro. Don't hit me.
Oh God.
Yes.
Boy, if you got another tire somewhere in the house.
That bitch leaning though. So, in the middle of me sliding, they fucked up my tire, y'all. Bro, we got us a jack. We got somebody on the way with a tire, okay? So, y'all just stay tuned, all right? Like, look at my car, bro. Look at my car. That's crazy, bro. Say that shit was crazy. Shit was crazy. Bro, y'all stay tuned. The tire on the way. Come here, tire on, y'all.
Everything Gucci. All right, guys.
But look at my car.
Appreciate it.
I was home with 2 and 2. And all my shit got fucked up like that. But I was able to get home.
You had got a diff change?
Huh?
You had got your differential change?
Nah, I ain't need none of that. Yeah. Sorry it took so long, though, because I came from Savannah.
No, you good. Facts.
Unless she want to go put her tires on.
Because hers was messed up too. Well, her left one was. But hers was still drivable. Alright, YouTube gang. So, I got my tire on. But as y'all can see, the pressure is already low. So, I'm about to head up to this tire shop. See if I can get me a tire. Then I'm going to the crib, y'all. This was my Sunday fun day, y'all. Okay? Like, I was out here sliding my shit. And this will happen. But hey, y'all just stay tuned though. We on the way to the shop. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all once I get up there, okay? Yeah. Alright, YouTube gang. So we done made it to the tire shop. But as y'all can see, I had put a spare on just for now, just to make it to the tire shop. But I know all that can come off. But it's wraps on my LED side marker. But yeah. Got me 2 of them right here, so I'm about to get these swapped out real quick. But look at my tire, y'all. Like, but yeah. So yeah, y'all stay tuned though. So yesterday I could not get in no tire shop because like they were closed. They said it was 24 hours, but they was not 24 hours. Like they were closed. So I made it to this one today. So now they are now replaced. So but y'all can see that it's not that bad though. I messed it up at. Look at my baby. Like, it's not even that bad though. But don't mind that wire. I'm gonna get it fixed, okay? We back, gangies. Yes, okay. We need another wash. But y'all, like I said, don't mind this. Like, this is minor, okay? So, oh, and my LED side marker. I'm gonna replace that real soon too. But, like I said, those are minor. So. As he's back, okay, y'all. Alright, YouTube gang, so I got my tire replaced. So like I said earlier, I couldn't catch them yesterday. I tried to go to 2 24-hour shops, but when I got to the shops, they were closed. Like, someone was actually in the shop at one of them, and he acted like he didn't want to take me, so I'm just like, whatever. So today, got it replaced right after work, so I'm back. But no more sliding, y'all. I'm done. That's it. Not until I get this fixed, at least. But nah, I'm done sliding though, for real. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.